The birth of a child should be a joyous and wonderful occasion for you and your entire family, but that can quickly turn into a nightmare if your child has been the victim of medical negligence. That's why we here at the G Law Group have put together this helpful video for you and your family if your child has been a victim of a birth injury. The first thing we want to talk to you about are what are some of the common birth injuries that can arise from medical negligence. For example, your child can suffer from brachial palsy, cerebral palsy, Erb's palsy, bruising or forceps marks, cephalohematoma, facial paralysis, fractures, and subconjunctival hemorrhage. All of these various birth injuries can have devastating impacts on your child's early development, late stage development, and can even affect them for the rest of their lives. That's why it's absolutely crucial that you understand and can be aware of what some of the common causes are of these types of birth injuries. Here are some examples of the common causes of the birth injuries we've just told you about. Number one, you have a failure to monitor fetal distress, which can include a loss of oxygen or blood to the brain of the child and can cause cerebral palsy or brachial palsy. Number two, you have injuries that occur during the delivery of your child. That can be marks caused by forceps, vacuum, or other equipment used to actually deliver the child. That can result in broken bones, such as your clavicle or collarbone. It can also result in bruising or marks to the face and other body parts of your child. Some other examples include delayed C-sections, which can also result in a loss of blood or oxygen to the child's brain and can result in Erb's palsy. And then you also have medication errors. That can be medication errors regarding medication that was prescribed for the mother or the child that can result in a wide array of different kinds of birth injuries. If your child has suffered an injury during delivery, do not hesitate to reach out to us, the G Law Group, where we specialize in helping victims of birth injuries obtain compensation and justice for their injuries. You may have many questions, and we're here to answer all your questions. So don't hesitate to reach out for a free consultation where we will explain all your rights and what you can do if your child has suffered an injury as a result of someone else's negligence.